TikTok Lite, something went wrong. So why this error keep coming back and how to stop it? So um, try these fixes, guys. So you can force stop TikTok Lite by opening TikTok Lite, by closing TikTok Lite completely and open it again, and the feature and test the feature that was failing. Second thing that you could do is restart your to call this restart your phone. It's just that once you restart your phone, because TikTok specifically recommends restarting both the app and device because it can resolve temporary problems and and set set up everything in good. And check your internet. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or mobile data to Wi-Fi, and try opening another website or another app you can do. And fourth thing that you can do is update your TikTok, guys. You can update your TikTok Lite. Just go to Google Play Store, App Store, then update if one is available, guys. And number five, guys, is clear TikTok Lite cache. You can do it in the app itself. You have to go to the settings, but here, go down, you go free app space, and then clear cache right there. Easy as that. Or you can do is you can go settings, then app, then TikTok Lite, storage, and clear cache. You can do that on your settings, but it's much more easier. And for six, check your phone storage, guys, or check your phone storage if you still have space. And number seven is whether it's an account or server problem. If TikTok likes work somebody on another connection but keeps giving the error on one network, the connection may be the problem. If the error happens everywhere, it could be an app account side issue rather than something wrong with your phone. So there. So yeah, if nothing works, TikTok official route is like right here. Um, they call this where is it? To report a problem. So all you need to do is go into settings privacy and click on report the problem. Then there you go. It's just that. So there. All progress to do. If you have any question, concerns, sabi daw ako siya guys. I will answer as soon as possible, and thank you guys.